See, you all devotees, Gaudiya Vaishnavas who are in iskcon, some are spending 10 years, 20, 30, 40 years. You don't even know the difference between Vaidhi Bhakti and Raganuga Bhakti. 99% of iskcon devotees. I am here to tell you all these things on the basis of scriptures. Chaitanya Charitamrita tells, Eita sadhan bhakti duita prakar. Ek Vaidhi Bhakti, Raganuga Bhakti are. In simplest of words, sadhana or bhakti is of two types. One is Vaidhi Bhakti and one is Raganuga Bhakti. Is there only one form of Raganuga Bhakti or there are many forms of Raganuga Bhakti? Please listen and clear this thing once and for all. All forms of Krishna Bhakti are Raganuga Bhakti. Dasya Bhakti of Krishna Bhakti is also Raganuga Bhakti. Sakhya Bhav Bhakti of Krishna is also Raganuga Bhakti. Vatsalya Bhav Bhakti of Krishna is also Raganuga Bhakti. And Gopi Bhav or Manjari Bhav, all are forms of different forms of Raganuga Bhakti. You don't have to become fearful the moment you hear word Raganuga. It is not for me. All forms of Krishna Bhakti are Raganuga Bhakti. So if you want to attain Krishna, you have to do Raga Bhakti. Vidhi Bhakti Parshade Vaikunthe Jai. Please don't burden yourself. What is Vidhi? What is Rag? Vidhi Bhakti means just to cross the ocean of birth and death, disease, old age. I want to attain service of Supreme Lord as His servant in Vaikuntha. I do spiritual practices. That is called Vaidhi Bhakti. And Rag Bhakti Vraje Swayam Bhagwan Paye. Only by doing Rag Bhakti one attains Krishna. Why is it so? Rag Bhakti means desiring to attain Krishna's specific rasa. Only if you want to attain Krishna's specific rasa, you will attain Krishna. Plain and simple.